Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna make nachos. Start with onion, olive oil, then garlic. Back on the heat to add ground chicken. This will be familiar for my cheddar smoked salmon recipe. Liquid smoke, not too much, remember. I add my favorite spice, cumin. And with the cumin, just a little bit of 35% cream. Just to make it all come together on a greased cookie sheet lined with aluminum chips. I like the lime flavored chips. You put a layer of the chips and then cheese. A little more. More chips. And you guessed it, more cheese. So put this in the oven a few minutes till it melts with the cheese all browned up. Put it in a plate. Spencer, here, oh, watch out, oh no! Cut! Now we put the chicken and then salsa and sour cream.